Okay guys, I made these to fit from there to this, here to that. So I'll put this disclaimer in, this engine might not work. Okay, that's me done. I'll drill the hole there, I'm going to tap it. I'm not sure if it's the right place, but we'll see. This is not working at the moment, although I did put these links in. I don't think the links are that good. I'll have to redo a few links there. Maybe bring that down a bit more and make the hole smaller so there's not so much clay in them. But again, the time has come to cut this extra bit off now and to make the engine size as I want it. Here we are guys, so my brother's just tigged it there for me. It is really hot at the moment, so I'm not touching it, and he's tigged it there as well. So that should hold it. And the idea is to stick this onto the wood and a bigger piece of wood like that, and that's it. So we're getting to it now. I've had a lot of problems with the piston, guys, so I made more than this, but I scrapped them, so this is the latest one, as it were. And let's see, I think I'll grind that a little bit more there, see what happens.